We're getting closer and closer to Christmas, and if you're anything like me, then you might be a last-minute gift shopper. Well, you're in luck because I'm sharing with you 20 last-minute gifts that you can pick up on Amazon. Hi, I'm Alli and welcome to my channel. As I mentioned in the beginning, in this video, I am sharing with you 20 Amazon products that I am absolutely loving right now that I think would make perfect gifts. These are items that I have tried and tested and been using for a year or more now, and after using them, I know that I can honestly recommend them to you. So I'm very excited to share with you some of these items because I think you're gonna find some things you maybe would not have thought of before. A couple videos ago, I also shared my DIY gift guide. So if you're looking for some last minute DIY type gifts that maybe would actually pair well with some of the gifts you're about to see right here, everything you're about to see in this video is linked in my Amazon storefront. You could click the link in the description box and it'll take you right there. And by the way, I will be adding some other items that I like as well that maybe didn't make it into this video. Now, I've broken down the gifts in this video into a couple different categories, and I wanted to start with my favorites first. I want to just get right into the favorites. These are some really unique gift ideas that I want to share. And I'm going to start with something that I use pretty much every single week, and that is this pitcher right here. This is a cold brew pitcher, or you can use it for infused water, you can use it for tea, and I use this all the time to make cold brew at home. It saves you so much money than going out to buy your regular daily iced coffee because you can just make it right here. All you do is fill up the little mesh cylinder in the middle with your favorite coffee grounds, put in some water, shake it up a little bit, put it in the fridge overnight, and then by the morning you have freshly brewed cold brew. So this is an excellent idea for anybody you know who loves a good coffee, a good tea, or even like infused water. This is such a great gift idea. Another thing that Amazon is great for is picking up different card games, board games, and unique ones like that. So I picked up this one here. It's called Exploding Kittens. It has a crazy name, I know. I've played this before with one of my friends, and it was just such a good experience that I had to pick it up as a gift as well, because I think this is just a fun game for anybody who wants a party game. It's unique, it's silly, it's great for a group, and whether or not you pick up this one in particular or another one, Amazon is a great place to shop for games, though you can also find this in pretty much any of your big box stores, but Amazon means you don't have to venture into the crowded stores and you can pick up games that way. Next up is a gift idea for somebody who loves fashion trends and also wants to stay warm this winter. This is a personal favorite product of mine that I'm going to be recommending in this video, and it happens to be something that I bought for myself, and that is a shacket. And I know somebody who's gonna be watching this video who's gonna be very annoyed that I just said that, but I seriously love a good shacket. I love that shirt jacket kind of look. It looks casual and effortless, and I actually already have two of my own, but I wanted to pick up another one for myself because as I learned in the DIY video that will be coming out next on my channel, I love them for like the purpose of DIYing, so that's why I picked up this one so I don't ruin my really good ones. But when I received this, it is such nice quality. It's nice and thick, it's super soft and comfortable, and it just looks so good. I cannot speak any more highly of this. I just love the pattern, the fabric, and just the color. It's such a great, affordable gift idea. Next up might be my favorite thing in this entire video. Like, I love this product that I just bought because I was in need of a new Bluetooth speaker. Mine was getting a little bit glitchy, so I purchased myself this Bluetooth radio by Victrola. It is just gorgeous. It has this traditional vintage look to it. I love that it comes in 3 different styles that you can get. It's so stylish. It makes a boring Bluetooth speaker, ones that often look very modern, fit into a home decor that if you want a little bit more of an aesthetic, and it sounds great. I love the quality, and the bonus is it's not just a Bluetooth speaker. It also has access to AM and FM radio, so if you want to go a little bit more traditional, you know, and you don't want to play the music off of your phone, you could also listen in to the radio. So this is a fantastic gift idea for somebody who loves home decor, loves audio, and I just think this is so adorable. Now I wanted to share something that is a DIY tool that is incredibly useful, and I've been using it in many videos, and that is this mini miter saw. I highly recommend this little saw. Not only is it just very useful for odd jobs around the house, it is great for anybody who loves to craft and DIY. I love that it's just so small and compact. You can cut down smaller trim pieces, dowels, things like that. It makes a wonderful gift, and I'm sure you've seen it throughout my videos. It is already linked in my Amazon storefront, but it'll of course be linked in my Amazon storefront gift guide. If you've been enjoying this video so far, or if you've seen at least one item that you would gift to someone or keep for yourself, make sure you give this video a like. It truly is the best way to help my channel grow. The next gifts that I want to share with you are more practical gifts. While practical gifts aren't the most glamorous type gift, they do make a really fantastic present, especially if it's something that you know your gift recipient wouldn't personally buy for themselves, but you know that they would use them. So first in this category, I have a fun little gadget, and that is this right here. It is an electronic can opener. I know, not fun, not glamorous, but oh so useful. Now they make all different types of electronic can openers, especially ones that I've been seeing in stores the most are the ones that sit on your countertop. As a renter, as a person with a very small kitchen and limited space, I don't want to have a can opener sitting on my countertop. So I got this one, which is a small electronic one off of Amazon, and you just sit it on the can, push down the lever, and it spins around your can, and then you can stash it away in a drawer or in a cabinet when you're done with it. But seriously, it's a fantastic gift and would make a great gift for anyone because it's so useful. Next up is something that I think anybody would enjoy for a gift, and it's something that I personally have a little bit too much of an obsession with, and that is a travel mug. I have the Yeti travel mug right here. I've been seeing also this Stanley tumbler has been super trendy lately, and I think it's because it fits into a cup holder really well or something. I'm not sure. But I have a Yeti mug. This one is the perfect size for me. I also have the larger one that I keep at work, and I love this because it keeps my drinks hot all day, it keeps my drinks cool all day. It is so useful to have, and I think buying a tumbler that is a little bit more expensive, a little bit more high-end is maybe something somebody wouldn't do for themselves, but it is so worth it because of how it works so much better than the cheaper end tumblers. So I recommend a good tumbler for somebody who maybe is outside a lot or just wants to keep their coffee or tea warm all day. My next practical gift idea is a makeup bag. I just purchased this one for myself a couple weeks ago, and I'm already in love with it. And I wanted something that was simple, it was low profile, easy to pack in a suitcase if I needed to. And this was the one I landed on off of Amazon, and it is just perfect. I love the outer look of it. I think it's very classy looking. It looks very high end. And then the inside just had the perfect amount of dividers for the amount of makeup I had. A nice quality makeup bag is a fantastic gift. And then you could always stuff it with fun other little goodies or a gift card on the inside. And I think that would be so cute. A gift you cannot go wrong with for the holidays, especially for somebody who always is planning ahead or has a very busy schedule, is a planner. Now the one I'm holding right here is actually the planner I've been using this year, which I love it so much. I just haven't gotten around to ordering my new one for 2023. I love this brand. I'm definitely going to be purchasing this exact planner again, and I think the pattern on the cover is cute. There's a couple other cover designs that you could pick from, but I personally liked that it has the vertical planning spaces versus the horizontal, but I know they have options for the horizontal ones as well. This has been really great for me. It's high quality, it's really pretty. There's some inspirational quotes on the inside too, and so planner always makes a fantastic gift, and I especially recommend this one. The next gift is a little bit of a smaller one and a little bit more of a high-end gift, but oh so incredibly useful. And that is an external hard drive. I love this little hard drive. It's small, it's compact, and it stores pretty much anything you need it for. I recommend this definitely for somebody who uses a lot of big files. Maybe they're into photography, or maybe they're into content creation like this. Or, you know, college students. This was fantastic. I loved having my hard drive in college. It was so useful. This is even more useful now because it's the SSD solid state drive. So this is like the way to go for an external hard drive. And they're always running sales on these right around the Christmas season. So this is a fantastic gift for any sort of techie or any sort of photographer or college student in your life. The next category of gifts, since we're here on I'm Alli DIY, which is a DIY and home channel, are gift ideas for the home. And obviously I purchase a lot of different things for my apartment here, so I definitely have some ideas to share. Now, one of my favorite Amazon finds is this cutting board. And yes, it's just a cutting board, which is boring, or I guess a serving board would maybe be a better name for this. I love this serving board. It is beautiful. It's made of acacia wood, so that is very high quality. It has such nice grain to it. It's so pretty. It's great for anybody who loves entertaining, or obviously you've been seeing cutting boards popping up as like home decor, so it's cute for home decor too. So definitely a great find. Next up is something that I also very much recommend on Amazon, just like I did for the different games and card games like that, are their books. And I've had some really great luck lately with coffee table books. I have 3 right here that I really like, which of course mine are all home decor based. This one's actually just a normal book, which I was really excited because it's Shay McGee's book with McGee & Co. So I really want to read this one soon. I just picked it up, so I haven't had a chance to read it yet. Then I also got the Interior Design Handbook, which I think is just absolutely stunning on the cover, and it's been so useful to flip through. And I also have Joanna Gaines' Homebody, which is another fantastic book as well. And those make great home decor. They're also fun and enjoyable, and you can find coffee table books for anyone's interests. Plus, coffee table books are expensive, and they're kind of like a thing, well, do I need to buy this for myself? Probably not. But if you find one that is meaningful to whoever you're giving it to, they're bound to love it because it's gonna have something very special to them if it matches some of the things that they're into. My next gift idea is this throw pillow right here. It is a gorgeous linen throw pillow. I got the cover and then I bought the pillow itself off of Amazon, and it's just so high quality, and the price on this was so affordable. I love the look of this. It's going in my living room makeover video, which I will be sharing here on the channel, which you're not gonna wanna miss out. And I was just very impressed with this, so I think it would make a great gift for anybody who loves home decor, especially in the more neutral tones. It would fit into pretty much anyone's space. Now, I thought I would share some more practical for the home items, and this is something I received as a Christmas gift from last year, and I've been loving it, and that is a really nice set of glass food storage. I love this. I think it's just so much more sustainable than using plastic food storage. And they're just very useful to have because you can put them in the fridge, you can put them in the oven, you can put them in the microwave, so it's much safer for your food. I definitely recommend these. I put these on my wish list last year, and I'm so happy that I received them because they have been incredibly useful. So definitely a great idea or a great gift idea for someone. The next for the home practical gift idea is this utensil set. Now, it did not come with this little canister here. I did pick this up separately for my kitchen. It came with a very cheap plastic container that they went in. So I recommend if you do gift these, it'd be nice to also gift a very nice crock for the utensils to sit in. But I do really like this utensil set. They're very high quality, they're nice and sturdy, and you can get them in a wide range of colors. I went with gray just because it's neutral, but they have pretty much any color you could look for. And I love them because they're a much safer alternative other than maybe going for a wood utensil set, because they do protect your non-stick surface in your pans. So I definitely recommend these. They are a great product for somebody who's in need of some new kitchen utensils. And finally, my last category are some stocking stuffers. You can't have a gift video without a couple stocking stuffer recommendations, so I do have a couple just very affordable, quick, small, and easy ideas. My first stocking stuffer idea, which would also pair very well with the makeup bag idea, are the washable, reusable makeup wipes. These are fantastic because they seriously erase the makeup off of your face within just seconds. You don't need to use any sort of harmful type of substance to get the makeup off, and they're super gentle on your skin. And then you could just throw them in the washer when you're done, and then you never have to keep buying makeup wipes. So I definitely recommend these as a product. not only as a gift, but as a gift for yourself if you're also a makeup wearer. A fun little technology gift is a little tripod, one of these little bendable ones. They are great. This one specifically has an attachment for your smartphone, so it'll hold your phone. It's great for anybody who has their TikTok or their Instagram and they want to make some fantastic reels. I've used this for content creation before. It's also great too for hands-free like FaceTime calls or video chats. It's a super useful tool, especially for a teen or somebody who is using their phone a lot, especially for different pictures, video, things like that. The next gift idea I have is an electronic lighter, and I love this idea because you use it for lighting candles. There's like a little safety, you hit the little button and then it gives a small little electric shock to light your candle wick. I gifted one of these to my mom and it was awesome. I got to play out with hers, so I knew I needed to pick up one for myself. It's a much safer and better alternative to a traditional type lighter because you never have to refuel it. All you have to do is recharge it. They're very affordable and they make a fantastic stocking stuffer. Another thing you cannot go wrong with as a gift, especially in a stocking, are different products that you like, hair care, makeup products, lotions, fragrances, things like that. So I've pulled two of my favorite hair products here. Sometimes it's a little bit cheaper to pick up your hair products off of Amazon. So if it's a product you love and you want to share with someone, or it's a product you know they love and they always need more of, Amazon is a great place to buy some of those products at probably a slightly cheaper price. And finally, my last stocking stuffer idea is a little AirPods case. I love using my AirPods pretty much for my job, for when I'm DIYing and I want some music. I think they are great, and the best way to protect them is with one of these little silicone cases. I have just a very basic purple one. It comes in a whole bunch of colors, and they also are coming out with ones that are so many fun different designs. I saw one that looked like a Polaroid camera, which I thought was the cutest thing. So you could definitely get a really cute AirPods case for someone. And I love that it's a keychain so that I always know where they are because I just keep them right on my keys. And it's just a very practical, useful stocking stuffer that only costs a couple of bucks. And once again, don't forget that all of the products that I recommended in this video are linked in my Amazon storefront in the description box, and I will be continuing to add to them for the next couple of days with even more fun ideas or alternatives to some of the things that I showed right here. In the comments, I want to know which of these gifts was your absolute favorite that I recommended. And once again, if you want to check out my DIY last minute gift guide, that is linked on the screen right here. Don't forget, I still have my living room makeover coming up on the channel in just a couple weeks, and I'm so excited to share that. So don't forget to hit subscribe. And that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay crafty, and I'll see you next time. Bye.